So these are the new backpacks. They are OneGo Roma Tote backpack from PGYTECH. As you can see, it has the tote function, as I've shown you guys plenty already. I found the dual switch mode from backpack mode to handheld mode really convenient, especially in the commute. So in a busy subway or buses where I usually take off my backpack, I could easily hold a large backpack by the tote handles, and also having the flat bottom, I could very easily stand my backpack. So here I have two sizes in two different colors. So this is 25 liters and this is 18 liters. And this color is matte black and this is sand khaki. And in the 18 liters, there is another color called grass green. So now you're in some place, you want to open the backpack. And the great thing about all the backpacks from PGYTECH is that they can be opened 180 degrees. And to open, there are some safety mechanisms. So here at the tote handle, it's a little magnetic. And also there is a clip, so just need to press to unclip. Then the zips are free. And the backpack can be opened 180 degrees like this. And it comes with all the goodie dividers. So now I'm gonna set up and show you what these dividers can do. So here underneath, there is the cover for you to zip up. So you get a nice zip. So in here you actually have plenty of space, but if you want to compartmentalize for you to protect all your gears, expensive gears such as drones, lenses and so on, then you have all these dividers. Let me arrange them. So there are plenty of Velcro and also inside the backpack for you to stick onto very securely. So here now you have a thick cover, and also this would work as a pillar on this side. So now this area is really well protected, but one thing that I want to mention is that actually this backpack throughout, even without the dividers, there are plenty of cushions here and also at the bottom as well. So, you know, if you don't want to divide up too much, then also this backpack without the dividers, it definitely protects your gears. So this is one way for you guys to divide up. So you can put in like camera here. My camera is a little bit small, but you can put like a big camera here and also put other stuff, for example, like sunglasses, camera case. You can sort of put plenty of things in your backpack, and it comes with like elastic bands as well. So all these dividers and strings, they can be just taken out. The Velcros are strong, but they can be taken out so that it fits whatever need that you have for your gears. How about the 18-liter backpack? Less number of dividers, but still you can divide up very, very well to suit your needs. What I love about this pocket is once, you know, zipped up, then you have the access from the top. Plenty of room here. So on this side, what can you put in? Of course, your laptop. So here you can open. I can feel the mini magnets here. So for 18, the laptop compartment, it can fit up to MacBook 15-inch. And also on this side, 25-liter, there are more room, so you can fit in about 16-inch MacBook Pro. So in the laptop compartment, what I love is that there is the cover for the corner and the sides of the laptop. So keep your expensive laptop very safe. And for 18-liter, also the same. So this is the dedicated laptop compartment. It includes the anti-slip design for easy access and also the zip pocket in the 18-liter as well. And here you see something really pretty. You want to get your camera out, then you get a real quick access here into the main compartment of the backpack. And when you're done with taking your camera, then you can just put everything in. Or if you need to change the camera battery, then there is the pocket for battery indication system. Unzip, and you can put in batteries here. And also there is an indicator. Once you're done with your expensive gear, you just put it back into the main compartment where everything is cushioned and just zip up. Then there is the anti-theft zip. then it's very safe. If you want even quicker access to your camera, then of course in here, in the backpack, you can attach the beetle clip. This is also from PGYTECH, really handy. So the camera can easily just go into this clip. Then you can just walk around like this, and your camera is completely secure. And talking about the shoulder strap, there is also the chest strap. So this entire length is for chest strap. So you can go sort of low like this. But for me, I'll go a little bit higher. Yeah, looks balanced, and you can strap in. One thing to highlight about OneGo Roma Tote backpack is that it's very comfortable to carry because it has airfoam suspension system. So as you can see, this suspension system conforms to the bag's natural curve, so it's very comfortable for long hours in my own experience. And this 3D mesh breathable back panel, it gives airflow so the bag can breathe even in the hot summertime. The shoulder straps are wide and padded, so it disperses the weight. So I've been carrying this backpack for many hours on the day, and it was still very comfortable. And it all helps because the backpack is light for a camera backpack. The 18-liter pack weighs just 1.12 kilograms, and 25-liter backpack weighs just 1.5 kilograms minimum. What I love is that there is a little bit of magnet, and then unzip here. To access, for me, I have a jacket, so the room here is plenty. And also with the 18 liters, it's the same mechanism. You know, smaller doesn't mean that it's lacking anything, it's just smaller, but with all the essential features. So here on the upper part, there is the big zip, and I have like stuff like sunglasses again. And there's so much room that I can actually fit more stuff in. And what I love is that there is like a little net pockets here, and also on this side as well. So here I have stuff like, you know, like foundation, little makeup, and also on the other side, the little pocket. So this is the pocket with the net. There are string with a matching color. So there are 2 strings here. And how I would use it is at the bottom. So here the strings are attached. You can put in, you know, little like tent gears, tripod, which I'm using. So the exterior of this backpack is so useful. Keep talking about the exterior. On the outside, there is another zip. So sort of entire hand can go in. So definitely plenty of room for something, you know, you need really quick access to. And at the side, you can put in like other mini tripod here, because there's another string here. Or maybe put a gimbal, the string here, and also on the other side as well. And also the pocket. On this side is the easy access to the main compartment. The zip goes all the way around, so you have access inside. So I actually have some other bag and anything else, camera case. But on the other side, here's another pocket for you to put plenty of other stuff. For me, I have other goodies and stuff. There's a little like net pocket, but you can put more stuff inside this big-ish pocket. On the exterior, you also have the tag port interface. So it's compatible with Crocs accessories, supports various DIY combinations. And all these backpacks, what I love is that the outer, it's made with nylon. So I like actually putting these, you know, backpacks, the camera backpacks, you know, somewhere in different surfaces and so on. So if it's caught any dust, and actually it's actually pretty clean, the surface here, you can sort of like dust it off. It's quite dusty, but I realize it's pretty clean. So all you need to do is, yeah, just like this. Now let me splash some water on the backpack. Here with the nylon, it's pretty much sort of splash proof. So the water droplet I can see, you just need to swipe it and you're ready to go. So you can adjust everything to fit the size. I think this is a perfect size. I love this sand khaki color. And also there is a chest strap here. Is this sort of the balance? Yeah. And chest strap strapped and ready to go. So with this new OneGo Roma Tote backpack, I really did roam around the city, and I find that these backpacks are perfect for urban photography and also for urban commute as well. When I was taking subway, when I was taking the bus, especially with a lot of people, what I tend to do is, get the backpack and hold it near the ground. And these totes are just perfect for that. And they still remain super stylish and have all the cushions for your expensive camera gears, yet still very lightweight as well. So you can really carry these backpacks for any purpose. Photography, just going to the office, work, anywhere. So if you guys want more detail about this amazing new backpack, then don't forget to check out the link down below for more detail. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget review. So see you!